What's up, Warriors? Got a little treat. It's Saturday morning. Took a little trip down the road at about 7:15 a.m. and that's when you got to get there to get the fresher donuts. Oh, we've got some glazed, we've got some chocolate frosted, and we've got some chocolate cake glazed, which are freaking amazing. And over here, we've got some blueberry glazed munchkins. Now, we don't eat this every day. This is like an occasional Saturday, maybe once or twice a month, but I thought I'd share it with you. Morning, Warriors. First, we're going to try the glazed cake donut. Oh my god, that is so fucking fresh. That's why you got to get there. I usually get there like 7:15 because I don't sleep much. I get up freaking 5:30 every day, even on the weekends. I get enough sleep and I'm fucking dead, right? Claudia will be watching this later today and shaking her head, going, why the fuck does he eat that stuff? Oh my god, that was fucking good. Another shitty day in Maryland. It's gonna be rainy. Still snow on the ground. Sucks. Waiting for that warm weather. Alright. Let's make us a coffee. There we go. Got my drawer full of K-cups. In the slot, lock and load, fire. Oh yeah, I love this thing. My first Keurig was 3 or 4 years ago. Bleep, bleep, bleep gave it to me for, I think it was Christmas or my birthday. Now I'm fully addicted to coffee and playing with this thing. Oh yeah, look at that. Hot goodness in there. Yes, sir. And the noise, I like hearing that noise in the morning. I look forward to it. Oh yeah. Get in there. Go on. Go deep. Go deep. Well, we're getting a little fogged up. Okay. Now me, I don't like any of this fancy coffees. Let me get some milk. I'm a milk and sugar man. High refrigerator. Oh, look at that. See, healthy. Got some wine for later. Got a few beers in the back. I'm not really a beer drinker, but I am gonna drink all that wine later. That's bleep bleep bleeps. Pure grapefruit juice. I'm a milk and sugar person. Probably a little more sugar than I should have. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. 1, 2, a little bit more. Okay. I can feel the diabetes coming on already. Surging through my system. Oh, I'll be at the doctor later this month. We're sorry, Mr. Walsh, but you're gonna die from too much sugar. I don't give a fuck. Alright, let's take this, go back over to the party. Now these things are awesome because they're easy to eat. Like I said, they're so freaking fresh. Freaking fresh. That'll be the name of my next website. We'll deliver food. We'll call it Freaking Fresh. Alright. Which one shall we eat next? Oh, that's looking good. Let's have a bite of that chocolate goodness. Mmm. Oh, that was disgusting. I can't wait to post that on YouTube. Me eating like a pig. Mmm. Nothing more obscene than a middle-aged man eating a chocolate-covered donut on a Saturday morning. Mmm. I feel the sugar high coming when you gotta have some coffee. Oh, that's hot. Mmm. If it doesn't hurt going down, it ain't hot enough. I have to put this in the microwave sometimes. I like that burn as it's going down. I probably don't have much of an esophagus left. Oh. My kids never drank coffee. I think Brandon does now. He's always drinking it when he's over here. Which isn't often. Because that fucker moved to Florida with his sister. The queen. The pink-haired queen. That's alright. I'll be dead one day and they won't have to worry about it, right? Mmm. Especially if I start eating these all the time. God damn, look at that. Mmm. Mmm. Oh, the lighting's much better over here. I'm so bright. Mm. You hear that? I haven't shaved yet. And that's just one day. I can grow a friggin' beard in a week and look like that picture of mine that looks similar to Brandon when I was probably like 23. Yeah, I was actually 23 in that picture when I grew the beard and went all mountain man, got all weird for a year. Anyway, Warriors, I hope you enjoyed that Saturday morning donut mukbang. Look at this donut. What the heck? Look at that one glazed donut. That motherfucker's on steroids. He's bigger than the rest of the boys.